Okay, so my dear friends, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before investing your money. Thank you. Get ready, guys! Next week is going to be a messy for the US stock market. We have 6 huge companies dropping their latest earnings report on June 23rd and 24th. From AI chip giants to global shipping and travel, these numbers will move the market. Here is exactly what you need to watch so you can profit. First up, on Tuesday, June 23rd, we have 3 heavy hitters. First one is Cerebras Systems. Cerebras Systems is reporting for fiscal Q1. Wall Street expects an EPS of minus 18 cents on $180.8 million in revenue. Watch this closely if you trade AI tech. Next is Carnival Corporation. They are dropping fiscal Q2 numbers. Estimates sit at an EPS of 34 cents on $6.7 billion in revenue. This will tell us if the summer travel boom is real. Finally, on Tuesday, FedEx Corporation report its big fiscal Q4 results. The expectation is huge, an EPS of $5.93 on $24 billion in revenue. FedEx is the ultimate gauge for global trade health. Moving on to Wednesday, 24 June, the action continues with 3 more giants. So the first one is Paychex. Paychex reports fiscal Q4. Estimates are at an EPS of $1.31 on $1.6 billion in revenue. This tells us how the US job market is doing. Then comes the absolute biggest report of the week, Micron Technology. They are releasing fiscal Q3 numbers. Analysts are expecting a massive EPS of $19.72 on $34.5 billion in revenue. Micron makes memory chips for AI, so expects high volatility here. Last but not least, Trip.com Group drops fiscal Q1 data. The EPS estimate is 6.15 Chinese yuan on 15.8 billion yuan in revenue. This is your look into Asian and international travel trends. So next week is going to bring heavy trading volume and big stock moves. Keep your eye on Micron and FedEx for macro market direction. Which of these stocks are you holding or trading next week? Let me know in the comments below.